guys, it's me, the Hooligan, coming back with another video, and today we're doing a squishy experiment. The reason it's lighter on this side and it's dark on this side because I'm using a little bit of natural lighting. I'm trying to fix my camera. So let's start off first with the first squishy, and it's this Squishy Fun carrot. I'll take it out of the packaging. Which it is very slow raising, so I'm expecting a lot of change for this one. So we have that one. Next, I have this blush bun, which is still rising too. I am kind of expecting a change from this one, so yeah. Sorry, Maker. And next I have this Paul Panther Smiley Momo. I'm expecting a lot of change for this one because it's very, very squishy. Most of like the thick squishies don't really have a change to them, so yeah. Which this one's very, very squishy. And it smells really, really good. So yeah. Where's the licensing ink? I meant to show you guys the licensing inks from yesterday, but I can't. Here's the licensing ink. You can't see it. So we have that one. Next, we have this medium Iboo Peach. Which, guys, when I got this packaging, this original packaging, I was really surprised. I thought they were going to give me the newer packaging that just came out, but yeah. I'm going to actually take it out of packaging. And it's super duper soft. When I come back with the jumbo one, then I'm definitely going to buy it. But my hand looks darker because of the lighting, so sorry about that. But it's super duper soft. I know it could get defective by me doing that, but it's super duper soft. So we're gonna let that rise. So yeah, I'm putting 4 squishies in, if you can't tell. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in for 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Now, let's just look at our squishies. So as you can see, packaging, oh, it was foggier. I was running to my room. Anyway, so they're very, very cold. They've been in here for 20 minutes, so let's get the carrot a squish. Yes, it has improved a lot. Wow, it's super duper cold. It's barely rising. Wow. Super duper squishy. So, tons and tons of changes of that. It's cold, of course. Again, it's been in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Let's go on to our blush bun. Okay, it's really cold. I see a big difference, a really big difference. Cause like, I mean, I see a huge difference. So we have that. Then we have the a big difference. Again, I'm not surprised. Super cold once again, really hard. Okay, I'll let that rise. Then we have our Iboo Peach. It's not cold because, oh wow, it's super, well actually it's cold now, but really, really squishy. Like, okay, this thing is finally rising, but look. Wow, it's super duper squishy. Super duper soft. So this is a win-win for all of them. So I give this one an 8 out of 10. So I give it a thumbs up. If it goes under 5, then it's not great. I get this a 9. I guess I give it a 7 out of 10 because I thought it wasn't gonna be like squishier than it is. I mean, it is warmed up, so it's not as squishy, but still. Then I give this. This is still rising, and I give this a 9 out of 10 because I thought it was gonna be a little more squishier. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's super duper squishy. Look at that. So yeah, and then I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's not cold, but it's like super duper squishy. Like when it warms up, it'll be. So yeah, they're all win-wins. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want more squishy videos, then comment down below, and I will surely do more squishy videos. Bye!